Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The Knowledge Park. In previous video, we had discussed regarding the past tense and there the four forms of the past tense. But we had used the singular pronoun and we made such type of the sentences so that how to be written into simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Generally how to be spoken. Now today just I am using plural pronouns. I am just making some sentences so that you will get the idea or you will get the clear cut idea regarding the past tense and as well as the past tense uses generally in English. Now how to be used after using the plural pronouns as we, you, they in sentence in simple past, as in previous video, here there was I worked, now today we worked, you worked, they worked. हम काम किए, आप काम किए, वो काम किए. These are the examples of simple past. Now, these are the plural nouns. We, you, they, people. These are the plural nouns. And whenever plural nouns used to come in simple past, at that time, word must be kept into V2 form. That is very important. In the same way in past continuous. In past continuous, is in previous video, in past continuous, we had taken only singular pronoun, but today I am taking plural pronouns, and after taking plural pronouns, what the changes are going to happen here? Now, in past continuous, we were working. We is a plural pronouns, and hence to suggest that we is a plural pronouns, the helping verb in spite of was, we must be taken were, so that it shows the action which is going on, that too in past, in continuous way or in progressive way. Now we were working, हम काम कर रहे थे. You were working, आप काम कर रहे थे. They were working, वो काम कर रहे थे. जैसे कि सिंपल पास्ट में we worked, हम काम किए. You worked, आप काम किए. They worked, वो काम किए. इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस बात करना है पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में तो इस ढंग से बात की जाती है. वी वर वर्किंग, यू वर वर्किंग, दे वर वर्किंग. Whatsoever are the plural pronouns, those are supposed to be taken in past continuous form and were must be taken as one of the helping verbs. Actually, were is the form of be and be is always used in passive form. There are many forms are there of be. Now, it is also one of the forms of be. We were working, you were working, they were working. Now, while going little bit ahead regarding the past perfect, in that case, what one has to change? In that case, either the noun is singular or it is a plural. Had must be taken. Why had must be taken? It has supposed to be taken only to show that this sentence is written into perfect form, that too in past perfect. How? We had worked, you had worked, they had worked. After using you had worked, they had worked, and we had worked, this sentence always focuses on the tense which is written into past perfect tense. Now, in spite of I, we can take we. In spite of we can take I. Though we take singular pronoun or plural pronoun in simple past and as well as in past perfect, there is no change at all. But the problem is that in past continuous only, if the noun is singular, was must be taken and ing must be added to the verb, and if the noun is plural, verb must be taken and ing must be added to the verb. That is very important in past continuous and Just in past perfect, there is no problem. Either verb, either noun is we, you, they, I, he, she, it, that. Had must be taken and word must be kept into final form. So that is the that is that is regarding the past perfect. Now you see simple past, past continuous, past perfect. Now last one is past perfect continuous. The same it is. What same it is? In past perfect continuous, what one has to do? Same it is. Either the noun is singular or plural, what must be taken? Only had must be taken, and be is supposed to be converted into been, and verb carries always ing, which shows that what it shows? It shows that the sentence is written into past also, perfect also, and continuous also. How it is? Just you see, my dears. Past perfect continuous. I am talking regarding the past perfect continuous after using we, you, they. Now, past must be there, perfect must be there, and continuous must be there. So, how to be written in that one? It's very simple. For example, you can take we had been working. Now, this is the example of past perfect continuous. In the same way, either it is I, either it is you, either it is they. Now, the same will be there. We had been working, I had been working, you had been working, they had been working. Now, see how it happens in simple past. What it will be there? I worked, we worked, they worked, it worked, he worked, she worked, that worked. In past continuous, I was working, she was working, they were working, we were working, you were working. In past perfect, I had worked, she had worked, you had worked, they had worked. As well as the people had worked, because people is not a singular, it is a plural. In the same way, in past must be there, perfect must be there, continuous must be there. In that one, they had been working, I had been working, you had been working, we had been working, those you had been working, people had been working, and so many other things are supposed to be required in such cases. Now in simple past, I worked, मैं काम किया. Past continuous, I was working, मैं काम कर रहा था. Past perfect, I had worked, मैं काम किया था. And past perfect continuous, मैं बहुत देर से काम कर रहा था. In the same way, the same rules are applied for singular pronoun also and plural pronoun also. Remember, my dears, in simple past and in past perfect, there is no any change in the verbs. Those are helping verbs. How? For example, in simple past, I worked, and in past perfect, I had worked. In simple past, we worked, and in past perfect, we had worked. So we had worked, हम काम किए थे. So in such a way, we have discussed in detail regarding the past tense using plural pronouns. Which are the plural pronouns? We is there, you is there, and they is there, people are there, mob is there. So such type of the plural pronouns are there, and after using such type of the plural pronouns, how to be spoken in English, that too in past tense, and past tense 4 forms. In simple present, past tense has 4 forms: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Just we have discussed regarding these things in past tense, that too using plural pronouns. So for today, this much is, as per my understanding, better for all. Let me meet in next video with a lot of energetic mood. Till then, goodbye. I request heartily, if you like my channel, so please subscribe it. Don't forget to like it. Thank you. See you again.